Aperture. Aperture is the round hole in the lens that lets light in, like the pupil in your eye. A wider aperture equals more light, which equals better low-light photos and blurrier backgrounds. So night shots of a city skyline are brighter and cleaner when the aperture is wider. Lens. The lens is a glass or plastic element stacked to focus light. Focal length controls how zoomed in or wide the image looks. Short equals wide, long equals zoomed. Lenses also control distortion and sharpness. Aperture blades, also known as bokeh. The number and shape of aperture blades affect how out of focus highlights look. More blades equals smoother circles and blurred backgrounds. So a portraits with creamy background blur use lens plus aperture shape. Sensor. The sensor is the tiny chip that catches light and turns it into an image. Bigger sensors and bigger pixels collect more light and usually give cleaner photos, especially in low light. Two phones with the same megapixels can perform differently at night because one has a bigger sensor or larger pixels than the other. Megapixels. Megapixels count how many dots the sensor can record. 1 MP equals 1 million dots. More megapixels let you crop or zoom more, but only if the sensor and pixels are big enough to handle that extra detail. High megapixel mode lets you crop a photo to zoom in on a distant sign without becoming blocky. Pixel binning. Pixel binning combines adjacent pixels into one bigger pixel to get less noise and better low light results, trading resolution for cleaner images. A 48 megapixel camera might bin pixels to act like a 12 megapixel sensor in low light for clearer photos. Shutter. Shutter speed is how long the sensor is exposed to light. Faster speeds freeze motion. Slower speeds let in more light but can blur moving subjects. Most phones use electronic shutters, which can cause slight distortions in very fast motion. Use a fast shutter to freeze a running dog and a slower shutter for light trails. ISO. ISO controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. Higher ISO brightens images but adds grainism. Modern phones automatically balance ISO and other settings. Your phone raises the ISO indoors to make the photo brighter, but you might see more grain. OIS is a physical stabilizer. Lens or sensor moves to cancel handshake. EIS uses software to crop and smooth video using motion data. Many phones use both together. Example, OIS keeps night photos sharp, EIS smooths shaky walk and talk videos. Autofocus. Autofocus systems quickly lock onto your subject. Modern phones use phase detect, laser, or time of flight sensors for low light focus, and software to track faces and eyes. Periscope. Some phones use folded optical paths, periscope, to get real optical zoom without a big bump. Multi-lens setups, ultra-wide, wide, tele, macro, give you choices for framing. We use telephoto to get a tight shot of a performer on stage without moving closer. Flash. Flash adds light when the scene is dark. Dual tone flash mixes warm plus cool LEDs to keep skin tones natural. Flash can help fill shadows but looks harsh up close. Use flash to light up a friend in the dark but avoid full power flash for portraits. Demosacing. Sensors usually see only one color per pixel, red, green, or blue, because of a color filter array, like Bayer. Demosacing is the process of guessing the missing colors to make the full color image. Example, demosacing builds the final color image from raw sensor data so a red apple looks red. ISP. The ISP is the phone's special chip that cleans up raw sensor data, sharpens, reduces noise, balances colors. NPUs run the AI tricks, blending frames, recognizing faces, and applying smart edits. ISP plus NPU combine multiple shots into a single cleaner photo in night mode. HDR. The phone takes multiple pictures at different exposures and merges them to get more detail in bright and dark areas, or to reduce noise. It also enhances color and contrast. In a bright sunset, HDR keeps the sky rich while still showing detail in the foreground. RAW? RAW files keep unprocessed sensor data for heavy editing. JPEG HEIF are compressed photos the phone processes and makes smaller. Use RAW if you plan to edit. Use JPEG for quick sharing. Compression. Phones compress images to save space. Higher compression equals smaller files but less detail. Newer formats like CHAF store higher quality at smaller sizes. Turning on HEIF saves storage while keeping picture quality high. Thermal and power. High-res shooting or long video heats the phone and can force it to lower quality to cool down. That's why sometimes a phone drops from 4K to 1080p after a while. Long game stream recordings may stop or lower quality as the phone gets hot.